The Transpak H45 battery-powered sealless banding tool is for polypropylene or polyester banding. The tool's battery-powered friction weld helps provide the greatest joint strength without having to use a seal, hefty pneumatic line, or several different tools. Locate your tension adjustment knob. Increase your tension capacity, turn your knob clockwise. To decrease your tension capacity, turn your knob counterclockwise. Locate your weld timer adjustment knob. To increase your weld timer, turn your knob clockwise. Be careful not to overweld as this could cause your strap to break. To decrease your weld timer, turn your knob counterclockwise. Be careful not to underweld as this will cause your strap to not set properly. Once per shift, be sure to remove this plug and take an air hose to blow out your tool.